So today I'm going to be showing you another design resource, and this is a icons library that you can use in Figma or with React. So let's get started. So this one is called Phosphor Icons, and Phosphor is a flexible icon family for interfaces, diagrams, presentations, whatever really. Okay, so you can download all of them as SVGs, or you can use the Figma plugin or the Sketch plugin. Okay, so they do have a get started. I'll just show you. It takes you to their GitHub page, or you can explore the icons. So you can change some of these settings to see what the icons will look like in different types of settings. For example, if I take this to this and make this duotone and even change the color, okay, to something like this. There we go. So you can even choose random designs, okay, or search for something like, see, so after you have chosen the icon that you want to use, you just click it. You can download it as an SVG file, or copy the SVG, or get the raw SVG data, or if you're using React or for JavaScript, you can use these two options, or for Vue, Flutter, and so on. You get the idea. So you can just copy this and use this in your project. But first, if you're using React, you need to install their package, which would be npm I or install, then this name, okay? So npm I and this right here, okay? You need to enter that into your terminal, and then you can add that package into your project and then use their icons however you want. You can change the design, whether you want a regular icon or maybe something with duotone, italic, stuff like that. You can choose one of these options like thin, light, regular, bold, fill, duotone. That is the weight, and then the color is whatever you end up putting. You can choose a name, or I'm also assuming you can choose the hex codes as well. You can change the size. I thought they would show you the options, but I guess those are the only three options that they have. Yeah, color, size, and weight are the props that they use. Okay, so this was Phosphor Icons. I hope you like this design resource. Give this video a like. It ends up helping the channel out. Subscribe to get notified of more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.